Hi! If you're watching this before June 13th, you'll be able to make Southside Cocktail on World Gin Day. If you're watching this after June 13th, you missed the World Gin Day. But still, you can make a Southside Cocktail. We'll make a fancy version of it right now, because it's cocktail time. Southside was first made in Prohibition era in south side of Chicago. The bad quality of gin has to be rounded, so they add a little bit of sugar, mint and lemon or lime. But let's make it a little fancy. Today we're gonna use a GinRaw. It's made in Barcelona with special low temperature distillation process. This craft gin was created by 4 team members: a chef, a sommelier, a perfumer and a mixologist. Sounds like a beginning of a joke, right? Anyway, let's add 50 ml of this citrusy and fresh gin. To give our Southside nice looking green hue, we already made mint syrup. 20 ml of that will do the trick. Here we have clarified lemon juice. Looks weird, right? But it makes for a fancy looking cocktail. We'll add 20 ml of that. And to bring out the most in these flavors, we'll add some salt, just like in cooking. We'll use saline solution. 2 drops is enough. The recipes for these 3 ingredients are available in the pinned comment below. You can also hit me up on my Instagram page with any questions you have about mixology and cocktail. Sour cocktails with citrus juices are usually shaken, but because all our ingredients are clear, we're going to stir our Southside just to keep it this way. Enough about the ingredients. Let's get stirring. Time to pour it over a clear big ice cube. And don't forget to spank the mint and always place it so the drinker gets a noseful with every sip. Enough fancy business. Let's taste it. It's so fresh, citrusy. On the nose, the mint is what you get first. And at the taste, you get the lemon, mint at the aftertaste, and that citrusy flavors of that beautiful gin. This cocktail has a long aftertaste. It's so beautiful. I hope you're enjoying this episode as much as I'm enjoying in this cocktail. And make sure to celebrate World Gin Day this Saturday with your favorite gin cocktail. I'm Kevin Kos and I'll see you next Thursday, right here where it's always cocktail time. Cheers. Hi! If you're watching this before June 13th, you'll be able to make a Southside before Southside Cocktail on World Gin Day. Okay. But let's make it. But let's to give our Southside nice looking green hue. Stary, nice looking. Outside. We already made a mint syrup. But it makes for a fancy but it makes for a fancy looking cocktail. I'm just starting my YouTube channel, so I'd love your support. You know what to do.